If you're looking to find hidden messages on your iPhone's iMessage, there are a few places to check. Here's how to uncover those hidden conversations. Solution 1. Check in the Hidden Messages folder. Open Messages, tap Filter, tap Unknown Senders. Here, you'll find messages from people who aren't in your contacts. Some hidden messages might be stored here. If you go back, scroll down, check out the Junk folder. Here, you'll also find some hide message. Solution 2. Check Blocked Contacts. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, scroll down and tap Messages. Tap Blocked Contacts. Review the list of blocked contacts if you've blocked someone. Their messages won't appear in your main inbox. After unblocking, Solution 3. Check a recently deleted folder. Open Message, tap Filter, scroll down, tap Recently Deleted Folder. Here, you'll also find messages from people who aren't in your contacts. Some hidden messages might be stored here. By following these steps, you should be able to locate any hidden messages on your iPhone's iMessage. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share your experience in the comments.